that's a primer. You see, that's a manufacturer primer. Yeah, the action primer. But look, the manufacturers they don't go crazy, you know, painting all these corners with the.
But VTSV Auto. Oh man, if VC, we're better than the factory. Come on. I'm glad you brought that up. I'm glad you pointed that out. VTSV Auto don't play them type of games. We're gonna get all of that. We're gonna come up in here and wrap all of that round, you know.
You see, it has the hole here. You see this hole right here.
Oh yeah.
And it has a crack here. And the main thing is this. Just look. The piece get broken, and you see the piece should be right there. It's broken already, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And this bumper either is very expensive or it's hard to find these these parts for the Infiniti. We're gonna do now. We're gonna try to fix it and make it look brand new.
And it's an F Sport too. It got the motor in it, man. So we're gonna do a little customization to the front of it, add a little VTSV Auto twist to it, but we're gonna fix just the normal stuff, replace the sensors, and get it looking good. He got it painted somewhere else, and they didn't even see it. Whatever that is, so Raed got to figure it out. First, we're gonna try to buff it. It looked like we're probably gonna have to paint this fender, and maybe can save that door because it's only at top of the door. But in worst case scenario, these two panels need to be painted. Obviously, the bumper cover got to be painted, and just a quickie in and out. VTSV Auto lunch break.
I'm sure the owner of this car, Mr. Rich, he lives outside. I'm 1,000,000% sure, because to fade like that, you see, only faded here, and then in the top of the top surfaces is
where the sun hits.
exactly where the sun hits. Yeah, you see, I will tell you how it was. You see this one, you see this. Look, right here, like this. You see how it was like this, Yeah, you see how it was. This is not dirt. Look. Look, even you try to take it out, but you can't. The only way to make it look good is by buffing it.